Hello everybody. I went shopping today, and while I was shopping I was thinking I wish I would have had a camera to take video of my shopping spree, because I was getting a lot of good information. So I'll just show you what I got. This is Karen. Hi. I've been trying to start the keto diet and low carb because I am diabetic with type 2. So I need to do low carb to keep my blood sugar down, and I've been watching some videos about keto. Maybe I'll link those below the video. Maybe I will. Okay, so I'm going to do the cold stuff first, so I can pause this and put it in the refrigerator. I just got home. So cottage cheese. Cheeses are good. Cottage cheese, I don't know if it's like the best, but let's see if you can see this. Let me focus on that. Sugars, there's 4 grams of sugar. So total carbs, there's 4 grams of carbs. It's not awesome, but it's not horrible.
Max went running with me.
Okay, so that was the Daisy brand cottage cheese. I compared it with the store brand, which would have been really good to have on video, but I don't remember what it was. Another thing, sour cream. I also get Daisy brand, and I compared it with the store brand, which was much worse. So this one, looking for the carbs, there's only 1 gram of carbs. That's pretty good. Sugar's 1 gram. That's the carb. Protein and the ingredients. Cultured cream is the ingredients. The store brand seemed to have some other ingredients in it. I can't remember what now. That's why that would have been a good idea. I've already looked at this before, so I knew I wanted this. You get the full fat Philadelphia original and not the store brand. There is a difference. Focus. What if I do like that? There you go. It has less than 1 gram of sugar. So that total carbs less than 1 gram. And that's good. Ingredients: pasteurized milk and cream, salt, carob bean gum, cheese culture. Contains milk. It doesn't contain like actual milk form milk. It's milk that has been changed into the cheese. So it doesn't have all the lactose, which is a sugar. So it has less than 1 gram of sugar. The next cold item is heavy whipping cream, and that is to go in my coffee. I don't know if heavy cream and heavy whipping cream are the same thing. You just don't whip it. I don't know. Maybe somebody has an answer to that. And this brand was the best brand for the ingredients from the ones that this store had to choose from. I checked some of the other brands and the ingredients. First, let me tell you these ingredients. Grade A organic cream, and that gelin gum, which I think is, just like an emulsifier. It's no big deal. Has nothing. Contains milk. Well, because cream used to be milk. The other brands contained the ingredients, had milk listed on the ingredients, so it was like actually had the milk in it. And they had higher carbs. This one, less than 1 gram of carb. Very good. Okay, and that's my cold things. I'm gonna go put those in the fridge. Okay, some other things I got. I prefer iced coffee. It is way too hot in Texas to have hot coffee, ever. So I got this thing. cold brew coffee maker. And it's a coffee press. I've never tried this before. It had good reviews. It looks like this. So I got some Folgers classic roast. They had some cool ones with flavors, but the ingredients were questionable. This one. Ingredients are 100% pure coffee. That's it. It doesn't have like carb listings or anything. But this is Folgers Classic Roast Medium. That ought to be good. The ones with flavors had some questionable ingredients, so I decided against the flavors, and that's fine. So I've got this and this, and then I've also got I previously got this. I have not tried it yet because they don't have this, or haven't seen it anyway at the store that I got everything else at. Monk fruit sweetener, keto approved. I've seen this particular thing in some other videos, so somebody else recommended it. 0 calories. Total carbs, there are 4 grams. Sugar, alcohol, 4 grams. So, you know, use sparingly, I guess. I don't know what that is compared to other stuff. I also got some colored pins. There's a purple one in there, and like this teal and some red, and that's just because it looked fun. No other reason. Well, you know, whatever. All right. Paste, chunky salsa, mild. Where's the carbs? Total carbs, 3 grams. It's not horrible. And then I think the sugars all come from the tomatoes anyway, because they're not in the ingredients. Crushed tomatoes, water, crushed tomato concentrate, jalapeno peppers, diced tomatoes and tomato juice, onions, distilled vinegar, salt, dehydrated onions, garlic, natural flavoring. No sugar, no sucralose or any of that stuff, so I think it's natural carbs that those come by. I got Parmesan cheese. Yes, kitty. I know it's already pre-packaged, so it contains Parmesan cheese, cellulose powder. I don't know really how bad that is for you, but that just keeps it all from sticking together, the cellulose powder. Yeah, to prevent caking. So it's pretty basic. Total carbohydrates, 0. There you go. That's excellent. Last thing. Primal Mayo, made with avocado oil. It says sugar-free, cage-free eggs, soy and canola-free, paleo-friendly. It is super expensive for this small bottle. How many ounces? 12 ounces. I don't eat a lot of mayonnaise lately, so it might work out. Here we go. Total carbs, 0 grams. You see that? Total carbs, 0 grams. Ingredients: avocado oil, organic eggs, organic egg yolks, organic vinegar, sea salt, organic rosemary extract, contains egg. That's it. There's no weird stuff at all in there. So hopefully it doesn't suck. Thank you for listening to my rant about trying to buy some low carb items, and hopefully I can make some more videos soon. Oh, do all the stuff. Hit the like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.